Alright guys, back with another video. Today we got the Carisma Buggy out here today. And we also have the Exceed Sunfire Buggy. So we're going to put them together in a little race and see how it goes. So y'all stay tuned and see how this goes. Oh, again, this is back out. What ended up happening in the last video, I said it broke, which it did. It stopped working. Thought the gear was stripped or pinion came loose, but that wasn't the case. It was just the whole motor bracket itself came loose. Well, the motor itself came loose a little bit, so I had to go in there and tighten it up. So, and that was a tedious job because you have to take this whole brace off. But all right, guys, y'all stay tuned, and we gonna get this party started. Oh! All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Did I turn mine back on? I don't think I turned mine back on.
Oh, you want to start?
Yeah. Yep, I ain't turned mine back on.
You want to start?
Yeah.
You got to turn it on. That's crazy.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, final lap. Right here. On.
That's 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, again.
What do you mean again?
Doggone, 3, 2, 1, go. Pinion, the motor done got low again. Let me hit.
Mine died. It died. You can't move.
I think it's just a plug. Well, guys, it did it again. Now that motor mount must have came loose again. The way they got this set up, I'm gonna have to show you all. I had just kind of went in there just to see, and when I didn't see that the pinion gear was stripped or loose or the spur was stripped, I just went ahead and just tightened the motor mount back up. You know, tighten up the motor back on the motor mount. So, and now evidently it came back loose again. That's crazy. So this time when I take it out, I'm gonna record it, show you all exactly the tedious stuff you have to go through to get it going, get into it. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video for this Carisma Buggy. It's kind of disappointing, and I don't know if all of them are like this or I just got that lemon of the bunch. But we're gonna go back in here and try to tighten it up and Loctite it some kind of way or do something different. So all right, guys.